Let's proceed to the step-by-step procedures of the conversion from general equation to standard equation of a circle. So these are the step-by-step procedures. We have 6 steps. Okay. The first step is to put the x-related terms together. Okay, this is our example. X squared plus y squared minus 10x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. We will convert this general equation to standard equation. Okay, so the first step is to put the x-related terms together. You will group them accordingly. Okay, so x squared minus 10x. Diba yun lang yung may x variable? Okay, so the next step, yung y-related terms naman. Positive y square and positive 4y. Minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, we already do the first step. The next step is to transpose the constant term. Ano ba ang constant term dito? Yung walang variable. Okay? Di ba? Itong negative 7. So, yung negative 7, ang sabi sa step 2, you will transpose the constant term to the other side of the equation. So, the other side of the equation is the right side. Okay? Itong negative 7, you will transpose, ililipat natin sa kabila. And it will change the sign. Okay? So, x squared minus 10x plus y squared plus 4y is equal to, kung negative 7 yan, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, it will become positive 7. We are done with step 2. This is step 1. Step 3 naman tayo. If necessary, divide or multiply both sides by the numerical coefficient of x squared and y squared in order to have a standard numerical coefficient of 1. So, ibig sabihin ng step number 3, dapat yung coefficient, okay? Yung coefficient ng x squared and yung y squared, dapat ang kanyang coefficient, ano ba pag sinabing coefficient? Yun yung number na nasa unahan ng variable natin. And yung variable natin here is x, di ba? Specifically x squared, ito naman y squared. Dapat daw may coefficient siya na 1. So pag walang nakalagay na number sa unahan, di ba? Wala naman kayo nakikita dito. Matik ang kanyang coefficient ay 1. Okay, constant na yan. So since 1 na yan, wala tayong gagawing operation like division and multiplication. Wala. But later, in our example number 4, we will try to use this step number 3. Okay? So, we just copy this. Kasi wala naman tayong operation na ginawa. Okay, dito naman tayo sa step number 4. So, sa step number 4, performing the completing the square method by inserting the needed values for creating perfect square trinomials. Pag sinabi nating trinomials, we have 3 terms. Okay? By adding both sides of the equation, taking half of the middle term of x term and y term and squaring them both. Okay. So we have to group them accordingly. So x squared minus 10x. Okay? Pansinin nyo, nilagyan ko siya ng parenthesis for groupings din. Okay? Plus, open parenthesis, y squared plus 4y, okay, close parenthesis, is equal to 7. Okay? So, pwede lagyan natin ng blank space. Yung blank space na yan, dyan natin ilalagay after we completed the method, yung completing the square. Okay? So, sabi dito, dun sa completing the square, we have to take the half of the middle term Ano ba yung middle term natin dito sa x term? Diba ito? Itong negative 10x. Dito naman sa y term, ang middle term natin ay positive 4y. So, kailangan lang natin dyan ay coefficient ng middle term which is dito ay negative 10. Sa y term naman ay positive 4. Okay? So, negative 10, yung coefficient ng middle term divided by 2 as per rule dito. Kasi kukunin natin yung half. Then we have to square it. Yan. So, ganyan lang yung completing the square method. Okay, then simplify lang natin. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5, right? Square. And without that, negative 5 square is 25. Okay, so yung 25 na yan, dito natin ilalagay sa blank space natin. And we also have to add it to the other side of the equation. Okay, so positive 25 din dapat yan. Dito naman sa ating, sa y term naman natin, yung coefficient ng middle term ng y term natin ay 4 or positive 4 divided by 2 is square. Okay, ganyan lang yan. Then we have to lowest term nasa loob ng parenthesis. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 square. So 2 square is 4. So lagay natin tong 4 dito sa blank space natin. Then yung positive 4 i-add din natin sa right side of the equation. Okay? So tapos na. Nagawa na natin yung completing the square method. And if you can observe dito sa take note na nakalagay dito sa ating step-by-step procedures, the value will always be positive as a result of the squaring process. As you can see here, di ba ang nakuha natin dito sa negative 10 divided by 2 ay negative 5? Okay. Maski yan ay negative, ang lalabas pa din na result ay positive. Because negative 5 square is 25. Di ba ang negative 5 square ay equal sa negative 5 times negative 5. Okay? So that is equal to 25. Maski yan ay negative yung nasa loob, positive pa din ang result. Okay? Yun lang yung sinasabi dito sa note na nakalagay dito. So, tapos na tayo sa step number 4. Step number 5 naman tayo. Simplify the equation. Okay, sisimplify lang natin yung nasa right side. Ito. 7 plus 25 is 32 plus 4. That is equal to 36. So as you can see here, yung sinasabi natin ditong perfect square trinomials. Okay? Perfect square kasi yung kanyang first term dito, which is x square, perfect square yan. Because x times x is equal to x square. Okay? Or sabihin na natin na x squared. Then yung kanyang last term na 25, so 5 square yan. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Kaya sinasabing perfect square trinomials. Pag sinabi naman nating trinomials, tatlong term. Tri. Ano ibig sabihin ng tri? 3, di ba? Ang nomial, ibig sabihin niyan, term. Okay, we have 3 terms, rather. So we already done the step number 5. Step number 6 naman tayo. So step number 6, express the perfect square trinomials, okay, as square of binomial. So ibig sabihin na to, we have to factor this perfect square trinomial. Okay? Kailangan natin i-convert yan into square of binomials. So paano natin gagawin yon? So it will be time consuming kung mag-iisip ka pa, 'di ba? Ng factor nila. So yung method na ginagawa ni sir, ay you have to emphasize this. Kailangan mong tingnan tong nasa loob ng parenthesis na to na nagawa natin sa step number 4. Then, tingin lang kayo dito sa lowest term na nagawa ninyo. So, negative 10 divided by 2 ay nakuha natin yung negative 5. So, yung negative 5 na yan yung gagamitin natin for step number 6. Also dito, yung lowest term ng 4 divided by 2 is 2, di ba? So, we will also use that. Gagawin mo lang, para hindi ka na mag-isip ng factor, kasi nga time consuming. So, open parenthesis. Okay, since x yan, x terms yan. Okay, x. Lagay mo yung x. Then, kung ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, you will just copy it. So, negative 5. Then, square it plus y. Then, ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis ng completing the square dito? Diba 2? So, positive 2 square is equal to 36. So, this will be our final answer. Okay? So, this is the standard equation of our circle. So, kung ito yung ating general equation, ito naman nating standard equation. So, sana makatulong to sa inyo, lalo na yung sa technique, kahit hindi ka na mag-isip ng factors. Okay? Titingnan mo lang yung nasa loob ng parenthesis doon sa completing the square method. For more videos on pre-calculus and other math-related topics, please subscribe to my channel in order for you to get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay? Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.